Hello, good morning, student. Hope you all are well. And Vikas Singh, you are writing sanitizer, sanitizer. Okay, please follow the instruction of the government and stay home and stay safe. Okay, और घर पे पढ़ाइयाँ भी सही से करते रहो. ठीक है, टाइम भी दिन पर दिन निकलता जा रहा है. मई पहुंच गए. इस मई में अगले महीने से जून की छुट्टियां स्टार्ट होनी थी, देख लो. ठीक है, इससे अच्छा है घर पे अच्छे से टाइम निकालो, टाइम से पढ़ो और जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सेंड कर दो. तो नाउ टुडे आई एम स्टार्टिंग योर न्यू एक्सरसाइज. दिस इज एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1C. Okay, in the last exercise 1B there are the 6 questions and all are the very simple one because I already explained everything when we started the chapter and in the last lecture. What is the rational number, what is the irrational number, what is the terminating, what is the non-terminating, how to can convert the terminating and okay, irrational number. One question is left in that exercise, means prove that root 3 या root 5 is a irrational number. So this root 3 and root 5 we can prove root 3 and root 5 is a irrational number with the help of the two method. First method is division method and second is the contradiction method. Okay, contradiction method. Okay, so in I will provide a recorded video today evening, yeah, tomorrow, up to tomorrow. Okay, recorded video based on root 3 or root 5, means how can you prove that root 3 or root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, that one that I will not take in the live class. Okay, I will provide a recorded video. So now today I am starting the new exercise number 1C, and this is a very important exercise for your examination. Here we will deal so many questions based on the rational number and irrational number, but so many questions are based on the irrational number. So how can we solve? Yeah, if you have given any number in the form of the irrational number, then how can we solve the number, means irrational number? Simplification कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो there are the 2-3 method. Okay, for example, if you have given 1 by root 3, please listen here carefully. Okay, if you will not understand this concept, you are unable to solve the question are given in your exercise. Okay, so if the number is 1 by root 3 and the question is solve it, क्या करना है? इसको solve करना है. तो solve करने के लिए remember on your mind, if any irrational number is coming in the denominator, so first of all remove that denominator number from the denominator. Okay, for 2/3 इसमें कोई problem नहीं है, but if it is given 2/√3, so our first duty to remove this root 3 from the denominator, means remove the sign of the root from the denominator. Okay, so 2/√3. So how can we remove this part? So here we can multiply and divide the same number. Why? Because when we solve the same number, means if irrational number and if we are multiplying the same irrational number, okay, two things are here. If the product of the two irrational number, it may be rational and it may be a irrational. यहाँ पे देखो इस केस में प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा? रूट इंटू 3, रूट 6, and root 6 is a irrational number. So if you want to convert any irrational number into the form of the rational, so multiply the irrational number with the same irrational number. Okay, root 3 multiply root 3, so then it become 3. Okay, if root 4 multiply by root 4, the answer will be 4. It means root 4 is root 3 is the irrational number and root 3 is also irrational number. So when we multiply by the same number, so then answer is your rational number. Okay, इसको हटाओ, root 5 पे चेक करो, root 5, and if you multiply root 5 with root 6, तो answer will be a root 30. root 30 को और सॉल्व करोगे तो कितना होगा सर? ये होगा 15 2 30, 15 into 2, तो 15 into 2 means 5 into 3 into 2. ये सॉल्व होना तो इम्पॉसिबल है. तो so if you want to remove this root from the 5, so multiply the same number, so answer will be 25. So this 25 we can write 5. So this answer we can write the 5. So that remember this thing, if you want to remove the denominator, means remove the irrational numbers, remove the root sign of any number, to multiply the same number with that number. Okay, so that 1 by root 3 to multiply and divided by the same number. So answer is, देखो 1 into root 3 and root 3 into root 3. As you know, I know you know that about this thing. Okay, but if you want to solve this one, तो कितना हो जाएगा, इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई होगी, root 3 9, and what is the value of root 9? Answer is 3. Okay, if you have given root 5 into root 6, तो क्या हो जाएगा, root 5 into root 6 is root 5 6 जा 30. इसको सॉल्व फिलहाल नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके, रूट 15 into root 15, तो root 15 into root 15 root 25, and root 25 is answer 15. but directly we can write that अगर सेम नंबर डिनोमिनेटर में दो बार मल्टीप्लाई मारे तो उनका क्या बनता है, एक बनता है. ओके, बट अगर डिफरेंट आर कमिंग तो उन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 30 is for example 5 into 6. okay, so this is the first example, means first simple number, means first type of the question is given in your book. Second type, if given is 2 minus root 3, then how can you remove this root 3, या how can you remove the sign of under root या square root. so if you want to solve this one, root 3 ये गलत है, नहीं हो पाएगा. ठीक है, फिर भी देखो ट्राई करके. root 3 upon multiply this root 3 1 by here, तो first multiply by 2, तो 2 root 3 minus root 3 into root 3, तो answer is root 3 upon 2 root 3 minus root 3 9, और 9 क्या हो जाएगा फिर 3. again the answer is coming in the form of the root 3. it means this method is fail in this type of the question. okay, ये method fail हो गया इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में. तो so we have to change our method to solve this type of the question. अब क्या है, for example कोई क्वेश्चन 1 minus 2 root 3. okay, if there is this type of the question, how can we solve this one? so we can multiply the same digit will be same, 2 root 3 digit will be same, but the sign is coming between the digit, it will be reverse. why we are doing here, because it is coming here a minus b and a plus b, and as you know that a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. so on solving this thing, a, this is b, and again 2 3, so this is a plus b, so a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square means 2 square and minus root 3 square. so in the denominator this is 2 plus root 3 and denominator is this one, so denominator root 3 upon denominator 4 minus 3, so answer is 2 plus root 3 4 3 minus 1. denominator is, means root sign is removed from the denominator. so this is the way to solve this type of the question. so this thing 2 plus root 3 या 2 plus root 3, तो this thing is known as, means 2 minus root 3 हमने किसको क्या कर दिया, multiply and divide, 2 plus root 3, तो multiply of this thing, तो this is known as, this 2 plus root 3 is the conjugate of 2 minus root 3. so I am asking to you, what is the conjugate of 2 plus root 3? so the conjugate of the 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. now what is the conjugate of 5 plus root 5? so the conjugate is 5 minus root 5. what is the conjugate of root 5 plus root 6? so the conjugate of root 5 and root 6 is root 5 minus root 6. okay, so when we multiply this form of the numbers, so answer in the form of the a square minus b square, and with the help of that formula we can remove the sign of square root. okay, so hope you understand this thing. okay, एक टाइप ये आ गया आपके पास. so these are the two main things, these are the two main methods to solve the question based on the irrational number. okay, and these two methods we will apply in our exercise. okay, and first one is जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में एक्सप्लेन किया था 1 by root 3, तो क्या करेंगे, multiply by the same number in numerator and denominator. so this method we are multiplying the same number in denominator and numerator, so this is known as rationalization. the rationalization means multiply and divided same number, conjugate means numbers are same, digits are same, but the sign between the number it will be a reverse, a change sign. okay, so hope you understand these things. if you understand this one, write in the comment section. yes, good morning to all of you. so many students join this class right now. if you are joining this session now, तो I request after finishing this video, watch this video again, because आप लोगों को अब जो क्वेश्चन आएंगे वो समझ में नहीं आएंगे ऐसे में फिर। ओके, 10 मिनट की क्लास ओवर हो चुकी है, तो जो बच्चे अभी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं एक बार दोबारा जाके फिर से वीडियो देखना स्टार्टिंग से, तभी क्वेश्चन समझ में आएगा, नहीं तो फिर प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी जो अब बीच में ज्वाइन कर रहा है। तो नाउ एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड पार्ट, दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी सिंपल वन, √5/12, √5/12। तो नो सिंपली रेशनलाइजेशन करेंगे तो व्हाट कैन वी डू हियर, कैन वी राइट दिस थिंग 5/√2, क्या इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं? यस। तो नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बाय व्हिच नंबर, मल्टीप्लाई बाय द डिनोमिनेटर इन, जो डिनोमिनेटर में रूट गए, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइडेड, व्हाई वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड डिवाइडिंग, तो सो वी कैन रिमूव द साइन ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट। ओके, तो देन आंसर 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय √12 and upon √12 into √12, I already explained here, √12 into √12, so this thing we can write direct, if you want to write the answer is 12। आंसर कितना हो जाएगा, दो रूट के सेम नंबर आएंगे तो एक कंबाइंड नया नंबर, वही नंबर बनेगा ओरिजिनल नंबर, बट इसको और क्या लिख सकते हैं, √144, then when we solve the √144 it is become √12। ओके, तो upon 12, now these numbers are different, ये दोनों नंबर डिफरेंट है, तो so we can multiply together it। okay, तो on multiplying 5 into 2, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, 5 multiply by 12/12, so then our answer should be, this is 12 5 60/12, 12 5 60/12, and if you want to make a simplest number, if you write this number in the simplest way, अगर इसको आपको सॉर्ट करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, break the 60 in the smaller factors, इसको स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर में कन्वर्ट करो, तो 60 को जरा फैक्टर करो, जरा क्या हो जाएगा, प्राइम फैक्टर 60, तो 2 30 का 60, नेक्स्ट 2 15 का 30, नेक्स्ट 3 5 का 15 and 5 1 जा 5, it means 60 √60 can be write in this form, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5। okay, this 60 we can write in this form। now if you want to take this 2 into 2 outside the root, आ सकता है रूट से बाहर, 2 into 2 4, and when we take the 4 outside the root, तो आंसर will be 2, because दो 2 है तो एक बाहर हो जाएगा, and the remaining is 3 into 5, so then 60 we can write 2 into √15। okay, so in 60 this one we can write 2 into √15/12, so answer will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, so 1/6 into √15, so this is the solution of this question। hope you understand this one। I am waiting your response। sir, Dibu sir, my internet was connecting, what do you want to say, Dibu sir, my internet was connecting, Kargi yes, Tanishq Bist, okay sir, okay, please write in the comment section, do you understand this thing? yes sir, Priyanshu Khandodi yes sir, okay, thank you for your commitments। next, okay, so this one is a very simple one, but I am taking the one more question and the third part, okay, same question, and the third part is √146 46/75, this is your question। okay, how can we solve this thing, कैसे solve करेंगे सर, तो first of all convert into the form of the simple fraction, because it is a mixed fraction, so this thing we can write 75 1 ja 75 and plus 46, तो 75 plus 46/75, तो under root 75 plus 46, 1 7 and 4 11 and 1 12, 121/75। okay, now how can we solve this part, तो इसको हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, this is 121/75, तो सर here we can do two things, हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, दो चीजें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, one thing is 121/75 multiply by √75 as you know that। ओके, तो इसमें बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा, टाइम मतलब कैलकुलेशन ज्यादा हो जाएगी, 121 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 75, फिर 75 मल्टीप्लाई, इसका तो कितना हो गया 121 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 75 एंड अपॉन 75, बट फिर जो सॉल्व होगा उसका स्क्वायर रूट भी करना पड़ेगा, तो बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो सकता है। तो हियर वी कैन डू वन थिंग, राइट दिस 121 इन द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर्स। व्हाट कैन वी राइट 121, तो दिस इज 121 11. What is the square root of the 121? The square root of the 121 is 11 and 75. तो 75 को क्या लिख सकते हैं सर? तो देखो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन 3 2 जा 6 1 5 3 5 जा 15. नेक्स्ट 5 5 जा 25 5 1 जा 5. तो रूट 75 वी कैन राइट 3 into 5 into 5 लिख सकते हैं. यस 11 अपॉन दिस टू रूट 5 आर कमिंग हियर. फॉर एग्जांपल 5 into 5 कितना हो जाएगा 25. तो देन व्हाट इज द रूट ऑफ 25? इट मींस 5. या इन दो का एक बाहर आ गया, मतलब इन दोनों को मिला के पूरा बाहर आ गया 5, तो बाहर बचेगा सिंगल 5 एंड अपॉन रूट 3. तो 11 अपॉन 5 रूट 3, 11 अपॉन 5 रूट 3 इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. यस नो sorry sir means no connecting. Sir Dibbu if there is the internet connection, so I request watch this video again when this lecture is finished. Okay, and yeah, if one thing you can do, go through the setting option and decrease the quality of video. Means there is the 2-3 option. One is 144, second is 240, third is 360. So you can adjust your video at a 144. Okay, Priyanshu Khanduri, yes sir. Okay, so many answers are coming. Yes sir. Okay, next is next I am taking the third question. Okay, third one. So 4 root upon 18 upon root 12 minus 8 upon 75 upon root 32, then plus 9 upon root 2 and upon root 3. So same here we can solve this question by the 2-1 method. One is the taking rationalization, या first क्या कर दो इसको simplification. Okay, तो 418 इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? दो चीजें हैं सर. क्या क्या बोला मैंने करने को? एक तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं 4 root 18 upon root 12 multiply root 12 upon root 12, एक minus 8 75 upon root 32 into root 32 upon root 32. Next plus 9 root 2 into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. एक तरीका तो ये है, पर इसमें टाइम लग सकता है. कहाँ टाइम लगेगा? क्योंकि 18 मल्टीप्लाई 12 करना पड़ेगा, 75 मल्टीप्लाई 32 करना पड़ेगा. तो उस कैलकुलेशन से बचने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं? राइट, फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. इस 18 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? इस 18 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4 into 18 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? जैसे 18 के फैक्टर करो अगर दिक्कत है तो 2 9 जा 18 3 3 जा 9 3 1 जा 3. तो दीज आर द प्राइम फैक्टर. मींस 2 into 3 into 3. एक तरीका ये है और एक मैंने आपको पहले बताया. 12 को भी कुछ लिख सकते हैं. 12 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? तो 12 2 6 जा 12 and 2 3 जा 6 3 1 जा 3. So then this thing we can write 2 into 2 into 3. Next minus 8 75 को क्या लिख सकते हैं? 75. So then 3 325 जा and then 5 5 जा 25 5 1 जा 5. So then 75 we can write 3 into 5 into 5. Then upon whole upon 32 को भी क्या लिख सकते हैं? 32 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 जब फैक्टर करेंगे. ओके 5 टाइम. तो देन अपॉन 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and last one is 9 and this is root 2. इसको कुछ नहीं लिख सकते हैं. this will be root 3. अब चेक करो सर. तो देन 4 root 3 to 3 and 3. When we take this outside the square root, then it become single 3 and remaining number is root 2 upon. Similarly here 2 is out, so single 2 we can write it outside and 3 is remaining. Minus 8 upon here same 5 number into 5 upon root 3 and upon 1 2 pair. तो 1 pair को out लिखा 2 and second pair also 2. Then remaining is 2 plus 9 root 2 upon root 3. बस बहुत सा सिंपल सा बन गया. देखो 2 2 जा 4. नेक्स्ट 2 4 जा 8 2 1 जा 2 2 2 जा 4. So then here we can write 2 into 3 6 root 2 upon root 3 minus 5 2 जा 10 root 3 upon root 2 and plus 9 root 2 upon root 3. अब हमारे पास जो रेशनलाइजेशन बचेगा, दिस इज द वेरी सिंपल वन, ठीक है। यहाँ पे रेशनलाइजेशन सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, कितना हो गया 6 रूट 2 अपॉन रूट 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Why? Because this number is root 3, and if you want to remove this root 3 from the denominator, so multiply and divided by the same root numbers. Okay, minus 10 root 3 upon root 2, so multiply and divided by same denominator root 2. Okay, root 2 plus 9 root 2 upon root 3 is given here, so multiply root 3 and divided by root 3. So on solving this thing, so this is root 2 into root 3, root 6 upon root 3 3 minus 10 root 3 into root 6 3 into 2 6 and upon 2 plus 9 and root 2 into root 3 root 6 upon 3. On solving the everything, then 3 to the 6, 2 root 6 minus 2 5 the 10, so 5 root 6 and plus 3 3 the 9, 3 root 6. So then adding the positive numbers 2 root 6 3 root 6, कहने का मतलब जैसे होता है ना 2x plus 3x, so then it is 5x. तो ऐसे तो ये आ रहा 2 root 6 plus 3 root 6 is equal to 5 root 6. Yeah, we can solve this by another one. You can take root 6 is common out, root 6 is common out, so 2 plus 3, so this thing is 2 plus 3 5 into root 6, so 5 root 6. So you can solve this one by any one method. So 2 and 3, 5 root 6 minus 5 root 6, and 5 minus 5 means 0. So answer is 0. Okay, so this is the simple one method. And if you want to solve this, जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग बताया, आप लोग डायरेक्ट भी क्या कर सकते हो, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 12 अपॉन डिवाइडेड बाई 12, मल्टीप्लाई बाई 32 अपॉन 32, इससे भी ट्राई कर सकते हो, ठीक है। ऐसा नहीं कि जो मैंने किया है वही कर सकते हो। ओके, तो फॉर योर जिससे आपको इजी लगता है। ओके, यस सर अर्जुन, ओके अर्जुन गुड मॉर्निंग। सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं। ओके प्रियांशु पंचोला, यू कैन राइट योर आंसर या योर क्वेश्चन इन द सिंपलेस्ट वे। ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज एंड द रिमेनिंग वन, ओके दोज आर द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन, दिस इज द होमवर्क फॉर यू। ओके, द रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन आर द होमवर्क। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 second part. Yeah, I am taking the third part. Okay, third and fourth I am solving here. Root 5 minus root 3. So this is the next question. How can we solve this one? Now this is the next form of the question. Means denominator is coming in the form of the irrational number, but there is the sign plus and minus. Okay, so the solution of this question is 1 upon 2 root 5 minus root 3. If anyone know about this one, how can we solve this thing? How can we solve this thing? So write in the comment section. I am waiting your response. Please write in the comment section. What can we do here, sir? क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे? Please write in the comment section. What can we do here? The negative sign is coming here. क्या करें? Please write in the comment section what thing we can do here. 15, what is the 15? Priyanshu, what is 15? Answer. देखो sir, here we can multiply the conjugate. Conjugate मैंने बताया था ना, digit will be same but sign will reverse. So 2 root 5 plus root 3 upon 2 root 5 plus root 3. So here we multiply the conjugate of the denominator. 5 multiply root 3, 5 sir inverse the symbol, हाँ इन रिवर्स इनवर्स नहीं रिवर्स, सिंबल रिवर्स हो गया और डिजिट सेम हो गई। नाउ 2 root 5 plus root 3, this thing multiply with 1, it will be same. Now देखो ये हो गया आपका a and this thing is b, it is a and it is b, again this is same a and b, a and b. What is the sign here? Minus. What is the sign here? Plus. And in earlier classes you read about this formula, a plus b and a minus b. So what is the value of a plus b, a minus b? This is the formula a square minus b square. So with the help of this formula we can arrange these two terms in the a square minus b square. So what is the a? 2 root 5. तो a square is means a square minus b is root 3. तो root 3 का square. तो on expanding the everything, please watch this video carefully, okay? क्योंकि आगे के क्वेश्चन बहुत डिफिकल्ट है और प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो सकती है, इसलिए हर चीज को समझ पूछो, और जहां पे नहीं आ रहा है राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, ओके? तो 2 root 5 plus root 3 and upon, now this is root 2 root 5 and whole square. तो 2 root 5 whole square means देखो एक चीज फॉर्मूला है a into b and whole to the power m. Okay, if the two number are in the multiplication, its power is m. So this thing we can write a to the power m, b to the power m. This I already explained in the chapter of exponent. So we taken the exponent first year. तो 2 root 5 इसको भी क्या लिखेंगे? 2 का स्क्वायर into root 5 का square. So what is the 2 square? 4. And what is the square of root 5? Square of root 5 means this thing we can write 2 times, multiply 2 times, and as you know that its value is 5. So 5 multiply by 4. So 4 into 5. So 4 into 5 is 20 minus root 3 and its square. So root 3 its square means 2 times multiply. So 2 times multiply, it will be a one complete number 3. So now remove this. The sign of square root is it is terminated from the denominator. So our answer will be 2 root 5 plus root 3 upon 20 minus 3, 17. This is the solution of this question. And if you want to write in the expansion form, अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा expand करो, क्योंकि इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? For example, if it is given 2 plus 3 upon 4, so can we write this thing 2 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4? If 2 plus 3 upon 4, so this thing we can write 2 plus 4 upon 3 plus 4. So similarly, here is 2 root 5 plus root 3. So separating the LCM. So on separating the LCM, so 2 root 15, 2 root 5 upon 17, and the plus sign is coming here, plus root 3 upon 17. So this will be our answer. Yet this is also our answer. Hope you understand this thing. Okay, and this is a very simple one chapter. Okay, next one is I am taking next question, and the next is fourth part. Fourth one, root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. So this is the next question. Again the form of the question is similarly according to the question number third part, but यहाँ पे ये दे रखा है, तो हमें इससे कोई ले लेना नहीं है, इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर, ध्यान रखना. मेन प्रॉब्लम root 3 minus root 2. So remove this root 3 minus root 2. So then we can do root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. So multiply its conjugate, इसके conjugate से, तो digit will be same, but the sign of mathematical symbol it will be reverse. Reverse comes plus. Okay, plus and plus root 3. So the denominator is a minus b and a plus b, and as you know that a minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. So this thing we can write 3 square minus root 2 square, and the numerator is अच्छा ये देखो, ये है a, this is b, a and b. Now root 3 same number, so can we write this is a, and root 2 is again same, root b. Okay, and you know that if it's a plus b, this is sign here plus, and it is also plus. तो a plus b multiply a plus b, जैसे क्या लिखते हैं, 2 multiply by 2 can लिख सकते हैं 2 square, 3 multiply by 3 is 3 square. So similarly can we write this thing a plus b whole square. Okay, या multiply कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आप multiply भी कर सकते हैं. So this thing we can write root 3 plus root 2 square. तो expanding the, यहाँ पे बन रहा है a plus b, and what is the a plus b whole square? तो a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and second a square minus b square. ठीक है, तो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, न्यूमरेटर इज a plus b whole square. तो a square root 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस इज तो 2ab, तो 2 into root 3 into root 2, and it is a square, तो root 3 का स्क्वायर 3 minus 2. Okay, so on solving the everything here we will get our answer. So within a minimum time we can solve it. So root 3 का स्क्वायर 3. Now I am not explaining everything, repeat once, repeat time. Okay, तो root 3 का 3 plus root 2 2 plus देखो 2 into root 3 into root 2 तो you can write root 6 and upon 3 minus 2, तो 3 minus 2 1, तो आंसर इज 3 plus 2 5 and plus 2 root 6। अच्छा यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं, 5 plus root 6, ये ऐसा नहीं होगा, 7 root 6, ठीक है, दिस इज द रॉन्ग। अगर होता 5 root 6 plus 2 root 6 तब हम लोग ऐड कर सकते हैं, बट इट इज अ कंप्लीट नंबर, बट इट इज अ इरेशनल नंबर, दिस इज अ रेशनल इरेशनल, ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं, ध्यान रखना। जैसे क्या होता 2 plus 4x को ऐड नहीं कर सकते ना, तो ऐसे यहाँ पे भी है, तो द आंसर विल बी 5 plus 2 root 6। तो होप यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज, मींस क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 4, and the remaining part of the 1 to 4 is your homework, okay? So thanks for watching this video, and tomorrow we will meet again, and if there is any problem you can send your question in the WhatsApp group, okay? Thank you for watching this one.